You got paid last week, but today, just after 10 days, all that money is gone. I understand I have been in this situation and I hated it. But something needed to change and it had to be quick. And this is exactly what I did. I started with printing my credit card statements for the last 6 months. Next, I highlighted my expenses in two categories. Expenses which were necessary and other expenses which were not necessary and can be avoided, or I can find a cheaper alternative. And once I figured this out, I created a plan, a budgeting plan. As soon as my paycheck hits my bank account, I do these three things. Number one, I pay my expenses in full each month, which is my credit card balance, my mortgage, and my other monthly bills. Number two, I transfer a fixed amount to my other savings account to build up to 6 to 12 months of savings as a rainy day fund. Number three, and this is the most important step, invest. I invest the majority of my paycheck. I invest my pre-tax income in 401k and the rest after taxes in IRA and my brokerage account, where I buy total stock market ETFs on monthly basis. And by just following these three steps, I feel so much in control of my money.